the most accurate weather forecast in South Texas with Chief Meteorologist Dale Nelson.
Welcome back. Here is your Aztec Chevrolet forecast. Another windy day here in South Texas. The winds, at least the peak gusts, got over 30 miles an hour in most areas. 31 here in town, 32 in Orange Grove, and 33 for Kingsville. Satellite and radar shows mostly sunny skies again today in spite of all that wind, bringing in higher humidity off the Gulf. No rainfall, a couple streamer showers in the Gulf, but that was it. Nothing on land. 80s rule the region near sunset all the way to midnight as winds come down from 20 to 12 miles an hour, very similar to last night, and then down to about 10 miles an hour as we approach daybreak with mainly clear moonlit skies. Again, a beautiful full moon last night, nearly full tonight, and 81 at 6 a.m. The low tonight's going to be 81 degrees, 79 in Sinton, 76 for Beeville, low 80s along the coast, so warm and humid everywhere in South Texas with mainly clear skies. We'll start at 81 at 7 in the morning, 93 with increasing wind here at noon tomorrow in Corpus Christi, and very hot and windy, and 93 at 5 p.m. Southeasterly winds sustained at 21 miles an hour, reaching a high of 95 tomorrow, up 1 from today. Triple-digit levels, of course, inland and a little lower near the coast, upper 80s and low 90s along our area beaches and the immediate coastline. The reason we have moderate to strong winds, we've got low pressure up in North Texas and high pressure over in the Gulf. Nothing much is changing. That's bringing in that Gulf moisture. There is a stationary frontal boundary to the north that will dissipate, and this hot air is going to expand northward as we saw earlier in the broadcast. Here's the remnants of Barry still over in eastern Ohio right now, if you can believe that, and causing some rain now in New York City down to Washington and Philadelphia. And once that moves by with this high pressure expanding, it'll dry out and heat up in those locations. So here's the big high. By Friday night and into Saturday, it expands northward and they get a lot of heat. But then this trough develops. And unlike here, where the heat just goes on forever, it seems like, when this low pressure drops in, the heat is going to end in the upper Midwest. So it's only going to last about 2.5 or 3 days up there, kind of like our cold spells in the winter here in South Texas. But here is the ridge of high pressure, and that's going to drop a front into the region here next week. It'll dissipate before it gets here, but it is a potential rainmaker for us for the weekend. Not so much, but then by the time we get to Tuesday and Wednesday, it's certainly worth noting. Your NEC Co-op Energy 7-day forecast, 81 tonight, 95 windy tomorrow, 82 and 96 windy again, very humid on Friday and Saturday with a heat index between 106 and 112. Breezy on Sunday. The winds start to come down, so our instability goes up. Isolated showers on Monday, scattered showers here on Tuesday and Wednesday. We need the rain. We're pushing 5 inches below normal and abnormally dry here in the coastal bend right now.
Yeah, we can feel the effects of that right now. So
everything's turning brown. It should be green.
Yeah, all right. Dale, thank you.